Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with allthingsbbq.com, and this is elote, grilled Mexican street corn. That's right, today we are grilling up some Mexican street corn, or elote, the Spanish word, or one of the Spanish words for corn. We're gonna be grilling it over a charcoal fire on the Kamado Joe, get a little bit of color on the outside, then brush it with a mayonnaise mixture, cover it in cotija cheese and spices. If you're firing up the grill to do tacos or anything for that matter, there's no reason why you shouldn't also throw some corn on there. It's incredibly easy and very tasty as well. So we're gonna be grilling over lumped charcoal in the Kamado Joe Classic 3 today. We just need to get our coal bed going. We're gonna throw a couple fire starters down in here and just let this get started. We're gonna go ahead and prep up our corn here. And we're actually gonna peel these husks off completely for the grilling process today. I know a lot of times people like to leave the husk on or even soak the husk so that the corn kind of steams inside, but I want some color on this corn rather than just having steamed corn on the inside. So we're gonna cook this completely exposed so that we can get some nice char on the outside. So like I said, once this corn comes off the grill, we're gonna brush it with a mayonnaise mixture. So we're gonna go ahead and whip that up now. Now for every quarter cup of mayo, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Volcano, which is kind of a similar hot sauce to say like a chipotle and adobo. It's definitely got that vibe to it. A little bit more vinegar and a little bit more bite to it. And this is just to give us some like extra, little kick, little spice. You can go as light or as heavy as you want with this stuff. And then just to introduce a little bit more flavor, I'm gonna do a pinch of our Jacobsen black garlic salt. And that's what we're gonna brush onto the outside of the corn. Well, the grill's nice and hot now. It's sitting right around 600 degrees. We're gonna give the charcoal a little rake, and we're gonna get our corn on top of it. So these are going straight on the grates. We don't need any oil. We don't need anything fancy. We just want to get a little bit of color on the outside, and then we're gonna finish with our seasonings. All right, just a few minutes here. Already getting some color. So we're gonna start to rotate these around. And then this is just the process. It'll go pretty quick. Doesn't take long. Get some color on here. I'm gonna rotate these and make sure that we get them kind of even. And then we'll close this lid up so that corn can kind of soften up at the same time. All right, kernels are softened. We got nice color on them. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off. Now, hot off the grill, we're just gonna brush these with that mayo mixture. And then each one of them is gonna get a coating of the cotija cheese. Cotija is kind of like a queso fresco, but funkier. It's almost like a Mexican Parmesan, nice and salty with a good funkiness to it. And we're gonna finish this off with just a little bit of our 8-second ride carne asada seasoning, just for that chili powder finish. Take about a tablespoon or two maybe to coat the outside of these. All right, last one now. Let's make sure we don't leave much behind. That's it. A little squeeze of lime juice on top, and you're ready to eat. It's fresh. It's salty, it's a little bit spicy. That cotija is so good. I love the funk of it. And then the mayo mixture just glazes like a nice little layer of fat over the corn. I mean, this is so easy. Comes together in no time and just packed full of flavor. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out allthingsbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to allthingsbbq.com/thesauce. All Things Barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.